Joaquin Chito Cuerva Loyzaga, born August 29, 1958, is a Filipino former professional basketball player and commissioner. He played for the San Beda College in the NCAA before going on to play in the Philippine Basketball Association (PBA). In the PBA, Loyzaga played one game for YCO Tandue, then migrated to Australia for 2 years. He came back to play for Toyota in 1983. After Toyota disbanded, Loyzaga moved to Great Taste, where he became part of the team's dynasty of for straight championships. Ginebra. In 1986, he was shipped to Ginebra San Miguel, where he spent all of his last 8 seasons in the PBA, winning 3 championships, a 7-time recipient of the Philippine Basketball Association All-Defensive Team Award from 1985 to 1992. Loyzaga made a name for himself as a straight-up defensive stopper, using his heft and quick hands to guard the league's best big men, including the great Raymond Fernandez and later Alvin Patrimonio. He retired from basketball after the 1993 PBA season. National team career. Loyzaga also played for the Philippines men's national basketball team in the 1990 Asian Games, where he distinguished himself by helping limit North Korean center Ri Myung-hun despite a height discrepancy of over 1.5 feet between them. Post-retirement, in 2002, Loyzaga became the 4th commissioner of the Metropolitan Basketball Association. He served as general manager of San Miguel Beermen from 2004 until 2006. He was also a commissioner and executive director of the Philippine Sports Commission from 2010 to 2012. In 2013, he served as a basketball commissioner in the 76th season of the UAAP. On April 9, 2015, he was appointed the athletics director of the National University for their Bulldogs sports program, replacing Junal Baculai. Personal life. Loyzaga is the son of Philippine basketball great Carlos Loyzaga and Vicky Cuerva. He and brother Joey Loyzaga became one of the few siblings to play in the PBA, eventually playing with Ginebra San Miguel. He is married to Ma, Antonia Tony Yulo, with whom he has 3 children, namely Selena, Jose Joaquin, and Cecilia. Yulo was executive director of the Manila Observatory from 2007 to 2016 and former president of National Resilience Council. In July 2022, she was appointed secretary of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources by President Bong Marcos. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.